Where'd your cactus go? Wrigley, bring it here. Oh yeah, go find your cactus, Willow. Oh, ow. Oh, you guys fighting me? Okay. Wrigley, don't pop in with your paws. Scratcher. Oh, Willow one. Willow, can I have it? You let go? Willow, I want to throw it so you can play fetch. No. Yes. No. You stop. Ah, Wrigley's back. Okay, fine, Wrigley. You take it. No, you don't want that. Okay, how about this one, Wrigley? No, it's not the cactus. You just want to chew it? How did you get wood out of that? Give me that. Can you throw it? Now, dear buddy. Okay. Camera, sit back up, ladies. Ready? Go get it. Oh, really steal it. What's wrong? Get the toys. Bring it here. You guys bored of your toys? You have too many toys. Let's try the old bunny. Maybe he likes the old bunnies. Oh. If one doesn't want it, the other one doesn't. Is that it? You guys just want mulch? What else we got here? Well, why are you chewing on the mulch? I just gave you dinner and you barely ate, and now you're gonna eat mulch. Wrigley, why are you taking her mulch? Oh, Willow's turn for the mulch. Wrigley, get a toy. He wants the mulch back. Well, Wrigley's turn. Now you don't want the mulch? What is it, handsome? You got something in your ear. Still a little something on that right ear. Like a big branch. Oh, you almost shook it off. Oh, Willow's going to get more mulch. Nobody wants to play with toys anymore? Oh, He's a cutie. There goes Willow. You gonna do anything, Ricky? Get the toys. I'll play fetch with you, baby. Oh, there Willow back. Are you looking for more mulch? More sticks? Willow. Hi. I don't even know if you'd play with your favorite ball. If you won't play with Consuela the cactus. Oh, now she wants to play. You want to play fetch? Get to the cactus. Play fetch. Wrigley wants to play steal your fetch toy. Oh, you're gonna put it down there? That's mean. Ugh. Oh, go for it. Oh, you got him. Wrigley, I think you let her have it. You dropping it down there again? Oh, good girl. Right here. You're not gonna let go, huh? First you want to play, and now you want to let go. You gonna get in there, Wrigley? Hey, don't hit my fingers. Here, I'll hold on to the middle part. Are you gonna bite on the same side? Ow! Watch my fingers. I'm trying to get your paw on there. Does that side not taste very good, Wrigley? Okay, fine, Willow. You let go. Let go and I'll throw it. Drop it. You gotta drop it. Arr. Oh, Wrigley stole it. You can steal it back. Oh, jeez, you just plowed right into it. You wanna play again, Wrigley? Willow. Right, go ahead. You didn't bring it here. Right here. Oh. Gotta do it again. All right. You clearly want to play fetch. Why would you let go? Oh, there you go. Wrigley doesn't seem to like the taste of that side. Oh, those are wet paws you got on me. Oh, that's not why you guys don't want to play. It's wet. Stalemate. Willow wins again. She won't beat both boys this time. Maybe let's not play fetch. If I can get that side. You got a good grip there, and you got some ear in there too. Nice close up of you, huh? Yeah, Dave's gonna fight dirty. Oh, he's getting mad. Oh. He just doesn't want to share with it, really. It's a good picture, huh? Ugh, oh, so fierce. Oh, there we go. See if we can get one more round in. Ready? Go ahead. Right, now you gotta drop it. You gotta drop it. You gotta drop it. Drop it over here. Drop it. No, you like fighting with me for it. Oh, there you go. See, I got more patience than you do. Go ahead. Oh, did I forget to throw it? So mean. I like watching you guys bring it back together. You got both of your ears in your mouth, really. Oh, no, I gotta go down there and get it. Are you gonna try to steal it? Oh. Come on, Wrigley. Wrigley, bring it here. Bring it, Wrigley. What'd you get on it? It looks very dirty. Should we wash it? Maybe after this we'll wash it. Willow, go get it. Go get it. Go get the toy. He's not paying attention. Get it. You heard that? Willow, go get it. What are you doing? What are you guys doing down there? Are you eating grass? All right, I'll get it. Oh, ready? Go get it. Yeah, that's for making me go get it. Alright, you gotta let go. You gotta let go. Drop it. Come on, drop it. Drop it and I'll throw it. I won't pretend this time, I swear. Drop it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Put that down. And go get it. Oh, Willow wins again. You all done? You're gonna make me get it. Oh. Ready? Go get it. Oh, Wrigley got that one. Sorry, Willow. Go steal it from him. See, he's daring you. Are you gonna bring it back, Wrigley? First time ever. Nope. Maybe she's just gonna eat grass. You can see Willow. What you doing, girl? She was shy, so she hid. Alright, we'll just watch you, Wrigley. Come here, buddy. Wrigley's never been very good about bringing his toys back. He always likes to be chased down. Can you get it? Go get it. Go get it. Where'd it go, Willow? You hiding the toy now? Wrigley, she took it and hid it. Can you go steal it? Go get it, Wrigley. No barking. It's just a mail delivery. I'm getting some mail. Okay. I think they're all done. Almost made it to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.